Today we're sitting inside the 2020 Acura MDX, and today I'm going to show you how to switch from FM to Sirius XM by using the source button, and I'm going to also help you understand this little wheel on the left side of the steering wheel. So the source is just going to help you switch to FM to Sirius XM to AM, and this little wheel is going to help you change the volume or adjust the volume for your audio system. And you can also change the radio station that you're listening to just by pushing it to the right or to the left. And you can also mute your audio system. So let's say I'm gonna.
For a while there, even the batting cages were closed.
That's good. So I'm adjusting it with the steering wheel. With the little wheel, and then right now I kind of want to mute it because someone said something to me, maybe one of my passengers. So you're gonna push it down, the wheel. You're gonna push it down, and then that's gonna, as you guys can see, it's gonna put the audio system kind of on a mute mode. It's not gonna turn it off. It's not turning it off. It's putting it on mute. It's putting it on mute. To unmute your system, you can just press down again or adjust the volume.
I wish we could get the go ahead and really get this thing started.
So I know I said a lot of things, it might be a little confusing, but if you guys have any questions, please leave it in the leave your question in the comment box. I'll answer it as soon as I can. And yeah, so I hope you guys found this useful. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good one.